So today guys, I'm going to be showing you my 320 deere front skid steer loader. It's a 1/50th scale. I've had it for quite a long time now, but I got it from 3,000 Toys. They don't really sell these ones anymore because they're really old. They've been out for about 3 years. But as you can see, it's got a really nice reach on it, I've used this in a lot of dios. But right here, this is broken. Cause my little brother broke it. But it's actually made by John Deere. That John Deere actually makes it. Everything's still in good condition. It's got a nice weight to it. The hydraulics aren't stiff, they're nice and smooth, and this was $30, this one, and if you think about it, here is a pair of glasses. This is how big it is compared to my glasses. And also and this is a 1/50th scale. John Deere 5620. And that's how big it is compared to it. That's a really nice model. Thanks for watching. I'll have a review on this one.